Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download WampServer for your Windows. So first go to your web browser, search for WampServer, hit the second link, click download, and your download will begin automatically. I don't need it because I already downloaded. So go to your download folder, open it, select the language you want, okay, accept, next. Now here, if you want to use Edge, just click no, or if you want to use any other browser, click yes and search for it. Hit next and finish. Now we can try it. So just left click on the icon, PHP my admin, and as you can see, it works. Thank you for watching.